Hi friends, welcome in our Forex Guide channel. Yesterday already we have discussed about Forex description. What is Forex? Now today I am going to show you how to download Forex platform MT4 and how to register with Forex broker. First you have to open browser, then search on Google top 10 Forex broker. I am using Forex, so it is not compulsory you have to use this Forex broker. You can choose your broker as per your choice. Here has available many brokers like as Alpori, MX Pro, Except, etc. So I am going to open Forex website. Then I am going into login. Then open my HF. If you have Forex registered account, so it also good. Otherwise, if you want to register here, register it. So register, you can click here. So you can put here your all details, name, address as per their website requirement. So also you have to verify your account and with your ID and address proof. Which type of ID proof and address needs, all details are given there. You can choose your currency basis. If you from European country, so here you can choose euro, and if you from some another country, so you can choose USD. So already I have login account in Forex, so I am going to open my account. So here you can see first my accounts. If you want to demo account, then open demo account. If you want to open live account, then open trading account. And already you can see here you have reached the maximum trading account limit within your my agent. Already live trading account already I have opened here, so I can't open one more account. Here has one option, open trading account. If you open live trading account, here has available IV option. You can join our IV, provide our IV details in your description link. So now you can see funding, deposit option, withdraw option, transfer fund. Here is available many type of platforms: MT4 desktop, MT4 mobile trading platform, MT4 web terminal platform, and MT5 desktop also, MT5 mobile trading platform. Here education option, where you will get Forex e-course, video tutorials, market analysis and news, and economics and webinars. So you can join their live webinar, coffee, pump account, partner account, and help contact them also 24/5 live customer support. So that is the Forex website. Now I am going to see Forex chart platform. Now remember it, all Forex chart platform is same. Just here change the broker name. If you using with Forex chart platform, so here you will see Forex. If you use with Alpori Forex broker, so here you will see Alpori Forex broker. Then so here is given all here also. Then to account, trade account. Then here you can log in with your password, server, demo server, and here is also live server. When you will register it with your Forex broker account with demo account or live account, you will get a password or server. You will receive login ID and password and server in your mail ID. So here has view option, also has insert option, where has many indicator. So we will discuss with all indicator in our upcoming videos. Then also has Bollinger Band, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, oscillator, stochastic oscillator, custom PCI, Heikenesi, Ichimoku, MACD, all is available. Chart platform, tools, history center, where you can download all currency pair history. So today is enough for this video. In upcoming videos all about Forex, you can also subscribe our channel and press like button also.